Hey everyone. Today's the day. Today's the fucking day we finally deploy. In this stream I'm just gonna be doing the finishing changes, and I'll probably add profiles to the site, and then all we have to do is really write the bot, I think, and then we should be good to go. So hold on. Let's see what we have so far. Generate an invite. What happened? Why is invite's not working? Can't be blank. What does it mean by that? Webhook event URL. Let's see here. Oh, that looks right. Okay. Why does it say it can't be blank? This is valid. No, it says none. Why is that? It loads the .env. See, this is something I don't get. Code will be working perfectly fine one day, and the next day, it's just fucking broken. Let me check my .env again. Webhook. Oh, okay. Let me see. Okay, I figured out why the name was wrong. I don't know why the name was wrong, but fixed it. Okay. Oh, we have to change that anyways because we're running a new ngrok session. So boom. Let's expand that. Just copy this part. Purge the database real quick, and I'm gonna delete everything from Telnix. I'm just trying to keep this account like cleaned up. You know, I should, for convenience, I should make something in the admin panel that will purge a gateway. Let me see. Extensions, admins. Let's see here. Chat GPT. How can I add a purge button to each gateway, which will run a custom function? Sorry, that was nasty. Alright, let me see. Ooh. Let's see. Self.purge view. Okay, let me see. That's purge. Self ID pass. Action. Def purge. Action purge. ID. Why are the names IDs? Let me see. Columnist name. Oh, we can move this up here. No, we can't. We'll move that stuff down there. Gate. Query equals gateway. At login port gateway. Gateway select. Or wait. Select this thing. The function. Choose P R. Word. Anyway. I could swear this has an ID object. Gateway. It doesn't. Nice. Purge. And we purge it. Tenant. Purging gateway. Name, I guess. Okay. I don't know if that's gonna work. Let me see. Purge. Yeah. Let me see. Purging gateway 1. Oh no, it does work. Purging gateway ID. Current query name. Dot gateway query name. Let's see if that works. And then we'll probably move that function to like the gateway class. Action view got an unexpected word. CLS. We do gateway, select where gateway ID equals ID. ID. I'm so confused on why this doesn't work. Purge. Please select the least one. Purge. Oh, did that work? First. Query. Okay. The fuck? Purge. I hate how I fucking have to click it a few times before it fucking works. Why? Yes, okay, that worked. I don't know why. It was acting weird. Maybe we could go over here to voice. Purge. We'll probably work on this later. I want to focus on, let's see, allow purging gateways from Flask admin. My main concern is getting this deployed today. And this isn't a necessary function to get it deployed. So let's see here. Let's push what we've changed to Git. So let's see. We reworked the models. Just look for anything models related. Oh right, I want to see if the change I just made worked. So, hey, create an invite. 1, 2, 3. 120 seconds. Yep, that worked. Okay. Maybe we could do something like property def minutes return self seconds 60. Now what we do invite get, we could do not here, we could do this minutes. Boom. Nice. Okay. So I feel like some of this stuff we might need, but we'll just rewrite it. Okay, so boom, that's okay. Rework models. Credentials. We'll probably add that to generic, just like we're gonna add models. We're gonna add numbers to generic. And inside the gateway class, we're just gonna have the gateway and the connection. So class SIP credential base model pass. Okay, those are our models. Then we reworked a lot of the gateway stuff. Just add everything gateway related. to-do list. Gateway stuff. Let's see, bot, admin, page, grab minutes, model. Do not allow new calls with the services running. We're going to okay, actually, I'll just add that to the to-do instead of not allowing. Okay, I don't know what I did here. We'll add it. Core. We'll add all this. I'm gonna commit and push. Now, let's see what we have. Okay. So this is all the changes we just pushed. Start. So we got a profile going. I don't know if I did this on stream, but audio plays now. I wanna add profiles to the site. So let's see. So let's go here. So let's do calls new. So I want to do, okay, so if they don't have anything, if their settings aren't configured, I don't want them to be able to start calls. So let's go to our routes, pages, calls. If form validate on submit, user, okay, settings equals, ooh, do it right here. I don't even want this to be rendered with settings, CID, return, redirect, URL for main home, no, core home, flash, we'll redirect them to the sentence, please configure your Telegram settings for starting calls. So boom, what the hell? Oh. Core change settings. Nice. So let's see. Start call. Please configure your Telegram settings. So boom, now over here. Let me launch my Telegram, but I don't want anything bad popping up. Let's see. Take a sip. It's not posting a request because we have to update our .env. I need to switch back over to ngrok, the paid version of ngrok, so we can have like a dedicated URL. All right, it's posting. It's just not responding for some reason. Okay. Let's Smart Snake 3. Let's add a number to Smart Snake 3. And then create it in a database. Now we should be able to make a call. Q object is not callable. Why not? It should be callable. F Q get call. Okay, let's not do that. So call and calls service Q call. Service start. Oh. Q call. That's why. Nice. Okay, stringing. That's the wrong number though. Let's see here. Play our audio. It did not. Oh, it didn't play our audio because it's not on our web server. They're supposed to be the default audio files are supposed to be hosted on the web server. Call service. Why is this wrong? You see? Formatted number. Oh, that's why. To number. That should be better. Okay, so let me see. Why was it not responding to my start command? We'll figure that out later. Let's I wonder if we could hold on. Let me see. What's FlashDB? This is Playhouse, right? The FlashDB class is a wrapper for configuring and referencing a PWE database from within a Flash application. It's designed to Oh, well, I already do this. Create a base class from which. Oh. me check this out. So let's see, def configure app. I assume this would be very similar. Instead, we could use SDB. Yeah. What was I doing? What was I trying to do? I was trying to do this, right? How do I really do this? Actually, I think I already know how to do it. Class. Oh, this is my gateway. Profile. F in it. Oh, we could probably just do GDB actually. Let me see. Super init. Okay, if not, self greet in message. Self greet in message equals. Huh. We don't even call it DB here. Weird. Static file name equals audio. Greeting MP3. So we will purge the database, then we'll make an invite, and as soon as the user is created, we should be able to, you know, tell if it's the right URL.
Welcome to Take a Sip.
Nice. Yeah, that worked perfectly. Cool. All right, so. Okay, let's make a call. Angry Cat 64. Alright, that's it. Okay, I think there's gonna be a problem with that regardless, just because I don't think Telnix can access it. So let's push this, and we'll just run it on my hack shell. Purge the database. Run everything. Cannot import. Did it pull all my changes? Because hit branch. Pulled all the changes. This shouldn't be an issue. App models. Credential isn't even in here. Where is it? Credential handler. Yeah, this should be bot handlers. Oh, I don't push the changes. Hold on. I never push these changes. Let's commit. Remove credentials for now. We'll add them back later, just so this can run. There we go. Okay. Let's go to SIPs. Silly Cat 9. Add a number to Silly Cat 9, and we'll do the call real quick. We might have to completely revert that change if it doesn't work. Nice. It's beautiful. Did I called the wrong number. Yeah, there's no audio playing. No more. Oh wait, playback started. Call service. There's no. Let me see. Service release. Call. Reload.
Demo greeting message.
Okay, there was some error, I think. There was some error I wanted to fix, but I don't remember what it was. One 5 goes to Silly Cat 9, and Silly Cat 9 goes to sips.lol. Okay. Okay, maybe it is playing. Maybe I just can't hear it on my Google Voice because it's not giving me any audio right now. I'm gonna use a different browser. There we go. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, it is playing. It's fine. Okay. Hang the call up and then semaphore released. This looks good, except was this always here? Or did it send a new message? Okay, it's ringing. Will it answer? No, okay. Alright, hang up. Nice. Cool. This is awesome. Alright, so let's see here. What do we want to do now? Okay, what was the issue where I think it's because it's running here. Do we tell Flash it's behind the proxy? We do. I think it's just because it might be trying to call from I think it's trying to play from one to my local host, and it won't let it. Let me see. Yeah, see, it won't even bother. That's okay. We know it's working. So the next thing we'll probably want to finish is DTMF inputs, and anything regarding that, like transferring the call, queuing the call, whatnot, Let's make sure you can do multiple calls at once. No, we'll worry about that later. Let's focus on getting the inputs done. Routes, API, webhook, states. Okay, we'll move hang up call to events because this is not a state. This is just a handler. Make sure we'll change it right here. Events, hang up call. Okay. Now we'll do def handle input call event, rather event type call client state. So what do you want to do? We'll do if event type equals call playback ended. We're gonna start our timers to auto hang up the call. So we'll do call timers equals boom, def start timer for a call. And we'll do cancel timer call, and then we'll do timeout call. So So here we'll do call control ID equals call control ID. Not in timers. Start in timer for boom. Not in call timers. Rather, we should do this. Call control ID and timers return. Otherwise, we'll do starting timer for call timers, call control ID equals timer. To do make the timer configurable. Timeout call or equals call timers, call control ID start, and we'll do the same thing here. Call timers return. We'll do canceling timer. Call timers. Call control. Cancel. Del call timers. Call control ID. Now when we time it out, we'll do call hang up. Okay. So when the playback ends, meaning when the greeting message is done, we're gonna start a timer. So if they don't send any input within 10 seconds or whatever the user configures, we'll make that, configurable here. We'll hang up the call. All right. Can I do this from timers import start timer? Good. Cancel timer. So event type equals call gather ended. Cancel the timer. And if the event is DTMF received. Boom. Let's see. DTMF. Q equals. So we'll press 1 to speak to an agent. Hang up digit, and 2 to hang up the call. We might also make that configurable. Oh, we should add these states to call playback ended. We'll stop any planned message. We will stop any planned message when you receive a DTMF. We'll call gather stop, and return, cancel the timer. Then we'll do digit equals, we need the payload for this, payload digit. And then we'll do update message. Grab the user real quick. How do we grab the user? From the from number. Clients, they user. Call gather update message user. What do we have to call here? User number text. To number equals client state 2. So we do this every time. We'll probably just, let me see, hold on. We'll go here and update message. We'll do so look here, I want to do settings, user settings. So if not message ID return. Okay, so I'm gonna make a text equals boom, 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 number text, right? Yeah, that's the 2 numbers. So we'll do text. We'll probably do the same up here. We'll probably change this up later, just so. Yeah, we'll definitely change this up later. Post digit. Digit and DTMFQ digit, DTMF hang up digit. That's when we gather. That's when we'll stop it. And then we'll do digit equals hang up digit. Client state action equals hang up. Call playback start URL equals. We need the profile. I'm wondering if it would be better just to pass this along in the parameters and grab everything there. So like for example, we could do user equals, let me see. Let's say we do handle input profile equals client state profile. Number equals number, get number equals from number. User equals number user. Is it the profile name? Yeah, it is. Profile equals profile get profile name equals profile name. Then we could do profile profile. User profile. We don't need that. We don't need that. So, extension. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. Really? User profile. Else if client state action equals input states handle input event type call client state no payload client state user. Really? User profile. Profile, hang up message, client state equals encode, client state, client state. Push that just to see if it's working. Boom. Okay. Okay, it says goodbye. It doesn't hang up though. Oh, that's because we don't even handle this. Client state action equals hang up. States handle hang up. Event type call. Okay, it should hang up now. Let's format this, make it look better. And also, we have to update this to use the formatted number. Formatting. I push that. What's wrong with that? What the hell? Let me see. Okay, yeah, I kind of want to just, let's see. I want to move this into the update message. So let me see. From bot, import bot. So we'll do. This is what we're going to do. Raw text. We'll do formatted text equals. Number. Alright. Current app extensions Redis. ID equals R, get number. If not MID pass message M equals dot send message chat ID equals user set CID text equals formatted text. R set to number M ID. Then we'll do MID equals MID code UTF-8 return dot edit message text. Chat ID equals user send CID message ID equals MID text equals formatted text. Perfect. Now that makes the fucking send message redundant. We can change this to send message. And boom. And now it's just gonna update the message whenever we have to. So send message, user to number, text equals answer. We'll change it to text here. Oh, we don't need to do this. We just so did it UTF-8 did it pass? I wonder. So is this only used to get the from number? It is. We could just store the user UID in here, couldn't we? Start call. Connection user ID. Right, what does a user have? A user has a username. They should have an ID, shouldn't they? I don't think the from number matters. I think it's just about the action. From at. No, I'm not gonna do that. We'll do user call info. And we can do this. User equals user get user username equals client state user name. And then instead of doing this, I like this a lot more. So look, we can do user equals user get user username equals client state username profile equals profile get profile name equals client state profile user equals user. Right. And we could do, let me see, we can erase all that. Handle input. Also client state action is Q states handle Q event type call payload, or is it client state set is equals user. Okay, well we'll do if event type equals playback started. That's when the Q message starts. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna queue the call. So we'll do try, call, and queue. The queue name is just gonna be support. We don't have to make anything special for that. Queue name accept. Telnix ever pass, and this will only happen if the call is. This only happens when the call is already queued. Right, and then else if event type equals call and queue. We'll probably start playing hold music here, but right here we'll do send message user to member use client state to please didn't queue. Please run queue to transfer the call. So this is just going to update the message, but when a call is queued, I want them to receive another message saying that a call is queued. But let's focus on this right now. And we'll make a call DQ, meaning that they're getting transferred. DQ, how do you spell it? Call. Make sure playback is stopped. Okay. Send a new message. think we need that. Go. Okay, it didn't send a message for some reason, but let's see. Receives that event regardless. So let's see. So when the call is hung up, it receives these events. Let's see. Yeah, so that happens when we receive an event like this. Call back, accept. What was it? I'll just do 10x ever. Pass. I wasn't sending a message, but I guess that's because we never interacted with it. Try this again. Huh. Okay, something's wrong with the. Something is wrong with the send message method. Let's run this on localhost. We can do that. Oh, I'm guessing this is because this is never purged. Let's see, can we purge this from Redis when we, let's see, we need to go to events. There's settings, hangout, Redis. How do we delete? should be overwriting it, I would think. Now, I want to restart my local. Price. Why? You see me hang it up. So it should have been hung up, right? No, it should have been, let me see. I want to delete it. And that is two number. Okay. Nice. I don't know why it does that, so we'll have to find out why. Oh, that's why it does it. Can you use this anywhere else? Cool. Alright, let's run these changes. Let me see, sudo service, try to stop. status. Start. Now, Roger. Okay, this should work without issue now. That's a little concerning that it was persistent. Let's see, you have to clear all this data. Okay, now, yep, there we go. Okay. Here we go. Let's hear messages. Nice. Perfect. Okay. Beautiful. That's fucking beautiful, man. Ooh. Any errors? No errors. Nice. This is beautiful, man. It fucking works great. So I wonder, what do we do with client state 2? Because this isn't a payload. Okay, this is for when we don't pass the payload. Okay, that's fine. All right, man. Cool. So, queues will be handled from Telegram. What do we change right here? Remove. Wow. You say wow. It's not like this is a public repository anyways. Yeah, man, beautiful. This is fucking awesome. Alright, it's 5 o'clock. I'm probably gonna go to the gym at like 6 or 7. For now, I'm probably gonna take a break to make some lunch, but I'll be back.